So, these are various ways in which you can share your screen. You can share your desktop. This is the safest option to use while giving a lesson, since it allows you to show your students anything you have on your screen without problems. Now here you can see the various windows you happen to have open at the moment. You can choose to share one of them. Please beware though, that if during your explanation, you open a new window, the students will not see it. That means that, in order for the students to view the content of the new window, you will need to first stop sharing, and then share the new window. You can also directly share a PowerPoint presentation. Click on the Browse link here. Choose Upload from my computer. You can also choose a presentation that you have saved on OneDrive. Clicking here will disallow the students from progressing the slides on their own. Only you will be able to do this. You can also share Microsoft Whiteboard. This can be handy during your explanation, especially if you are using a touch screen. You can draw diagrams, or write. You can also write text. Or add a post-it note. If you wish to have more tools, you can open Whiteboard in the desktop app. If you do not have already installed, you will be asked to install it.